Mama Selena here for African Daisy, and I wanted to show you because somebody was asking how we do school with Selena, and this is Miss Selena, Chumbean's channel, and this is how we do school with Selena. So she's busy here working on her math homework. Amen. She's doing fantastic. Miss Selena does an excellent job in math. We are also doing English. I was an English teacher, so this is her English. Got you have a book here that she does. She works through. So yeah, in the back of the truck here, while Mr. The cute voice himself is up there driving us. We are back here doing schoolwork with Miss Chumbean. What do you think? And she loves it. She loves her schoolwork.
No, I don't.
She's very good at maths. You even hate maths, really?
No.
And so we're working on she's good at English, and she's working on the reading and the spelling. So that's what we do.
No.
I have a binder here, a folder.
It's mine.
That's all of her things are located. All of her books are here, and it has lots of paper. So that is how we organize her schoolwork. So anyway, just wanted to give you a quick glimpse here of how we do school on the road.